Copywriting tips for beginners. Professional Copywriting Made easy. What is copywriting? Copywriting is the practice of composing, persuading texts. Copywriting is used to sell products, ideas, ideologies, etc. Copywriting is an important component on web pages, in blog posts, advertisements, social media posts, videos and podcasts. Hi, I am Cecilia Elise Wallin from Inventicity, and in this video and the following video series I will give you my very best copywriting tips. A lot of articles, blog posts and courses give the impression that copywriting is complicated and difficult. It is not. Do not buy expensive copywriting courses, just learn by reading and doing. And if you want straightforward, laconic guidance, you can follow this free video series, Professional Copywriting Made Easy. It is not complicated, it is so easy. In this video series I will help you to sharpen your copywriting skills. In the following videos you will find the most straightforward copywriting tips I can give. I have been writing copy, articles and blog posts for 30 years, and I have distilled what I have learned into the laconic tips I am going to give you in this video series. This is the introduction to a video series I will publish over the next weeks. The topics of the following videos are: Advanced Copywriting Made Easy, Position yourself as an expert, The art of writing short sentences, How to speak to your prospective customers' pain points. It is not about you. The customer is the hero. Speak your customer's language. Conversational copywriting. Say more with less. Effortless copywriting. So I look forward to making this video series for you. I will publish the next video in 1 week. So subscribe and click on the little bell to get a notification when I publish the next videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.